Hi, how you doing? Where is everybody?
You missed them.
Oh, okay.
Missed them.
Okay.
It's been slow and steady, so
That's good.
yeah, not too bad.
What?
I didn't put any street signs up, so
Just Craigslist?
Craigslist and Facebook. I forgot about the street signs until the last minute.
We did the same thing. We had a garage sale 3 weeks ago, and we said, we're not gonna put up signs, and we regretted it. It was slow.
I was just texting my daughter in the house. I'm like, you might need to go get some signs, or we have to figure out how to make signs.
Yeah, because that was the first time we ever had a sale and didn't put up signs. And I'm like, well, everybody uses Craigslist. Not everybody doesn't, though.
No, everybody doesn't.
So we found out, at least.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh, I shouldn't have cut that corner. But we'll see. Make an offer on all this stuff, on everything, though.
You want it gone.
I want it gone. I want it gone 100%.
Sasha, that's something you can flip right there.
Yeah, it is a nice
JanSport
There's a
Hawaiian.
bunch of like old Barbie dolls.
There's another one too. Sasha, you're so funny. Michael Kors. Mickey ears. Don't tell your mom.
How much for your pill box? $1?
Oh, that's old Barbies, huh? Are you looking at this? How old are they?
I don't know. The clothes are old.
See a Ken doll in there? Ask her how much the whole... You want me to do that?
That table and that desk if you want.
Yes.
So $2, so $8. Thank you.
What spider?
There's a Minecraft spider. It's anywhere from $10 to $17, $20. It's asking $3.
Is it Nick? Sometimes stuffed animals can be good.
Good, yeah. For what? A whole box of it? $5
for Barbie box. It's for $3.
Sasha, you got yourself a deal.
Yep. $5. Take it.
Open that car up.
There's no room in the car.
It's got to go in with you. In here? Oh. They're just going to go walk across the street.
That's fine.
Oh, wrong pocket. Taking all. Can I have the keys, please?
Is that a Minecraft?
Let me-
It is a Minecraft spider.
Perfect. The Minecraft spider is amazing.
You
Isn't
just made our daughter's day there. Alright. Oh look, all the Barbies you used to have.
it? Yes. You can make an offer on those too.
I used to buy her, what are you wanting?
I want your keys.
Oh, I used to buy her Barbie dolls every
the
year.
Christmas ones.
Oh yeah.
They're just walking.
No problem.
Winter
Oh,
Splendor.
thank you.
Avon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Little Bo Peep lost her sheep. Rapunzel.
Kayla. Wondered. Yeah, that's
What is that?
Sabrina the Teenage
Oh,
Witch.
God.
That's the dude, that guy, and then the Sabrina's over there.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
I remember that show. Then Buffy the Vampire Slayer, right?
Yeah, you can make an offer on that on the desk if you want. Yes, it's right here.
Here's Sasha has some cards for you. Probably not. They got cards of men's naked butts on.
Oh, lovely.
Airwalk. Moon boots. Airwalk. To research those. I'm gonna look up these Airwalk boots.
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100
That whole box of Barbies we just bought for $5.
All the Christmas
Mhm.
stuff is just $1. The little stuff is like 3 for $1.
How much are these?
$1.
Alright, I'll take them. They're cool.
They are cool. It's fine. I have 75 cents. That's good.
Is this a...
No, I think it's okay because most people only need like a couple quarters.
Cabbage. Oh, piglet.
Got all sorts of clothes too.
You are brand new. I took them out of the plastic.
Aw.
I know.
Look at Gumby.
Oh, look at that.
You have quite the
It's a
eclectic.
mix of childhood between like me and the kids.
I can't do it.
You can make them all like Cabbage patches. I'm happy to.
Are these both Cabbage patches?
Yep, that's a Cabbage patch.
Oh.
That's top. I got 2 more over here, 3 more over here, but these ones don't have all this extra stuff with them. But that one has the stuff, and
That's
that
a-
one. That one.
Yes,
Yeah, and she comes with the birth certificate and the
they were born.
and the clothes too. Yeah, they are. This.
Oh my God, this looks crazy. Whoa,
Uh-oh, she fell.
damage.
That's okay. She's plastic. She'll survive.
Jen,
Oh, that's
you're
the stuff.
saying me, and then
Oh no.
Hold on. I have a.
so how much for all the Cabbage Patch?
For all of them, how many are there?
I don't know. Oh, there's some in here too, right?
That's a lot. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Oh yeah. 1, 2.
Sasha, your hair should be like that. So.
I don't know.
We don't do
20
cards
bucks?
anymore.
For all of them. That sound good?
Sure.
Because I have.
Providing I have the money left.
Yeah, but the
I have these size bags. I don't know if that works.
you're gonna have to
I don't have bigger ones.
That's okay. This will help. What are we doing? We got
Did you add these two with them?
No, I didn't. So 1, 2, 22 bucks for everything?
In the
in the boots.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
thank you.
Are you done looking, Sasha?
I'll put them in my pocket.
Is there a birth certificate for one of those you said?
They're in the ones with
It's
the bag.
the one with the bag,
The
yeah.
red hair and the blonde hair have birth certificates.
I get some cool stickers in here too.
Hello.
Freak!
They are.
She devil, all that.
Brought lots of joy. Oh, yeah.
That's, I had that.
Oh, just take that. That's fine.
I had this sticker.
You did?
I lived in Maui for a while.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, and I remember that
Oh, nice.
sticker.
After setting it all up and dealing with it, I think that's a Halloween costume of some sort.
Yeah.
My daughter's.
It's kind of funny.
Mm-hmm.
Spirit. Tokyo Revengers.
Yeah, there's a lot of anime. I have one daughter who's got a bunch of anime stuff.
What are you asking for these various items?
$1.
Okay.
$1.
We're at 22, right? So
Yeah, you're at 22.
try to move the needle. That's nice. I like the anime stuff. What's the story of this Raggedy Ann doll?
You know what? That was my mother-in-law's. So, that's all I know. It was hers.
Looking at the Raggedy Ann doll here.
We should go.
Have you done No.
$20. 55. Not worth as much as I thought they would be. So I'm going to pass on the Raggedy Ann doll, I think. I don't see any ones that stand out as being super expensive.
All right, so
Did you see the naked butt cards? Don't you want this?
I'm all right.
you're
Thanks.
okay with that?
Thanks.
So $25?
Yep.
Oh.
Do you have the money? I think you do.
Give me the 5 and I'll give her 20.
Okay.
That'll be.
Awesome. Thank you.
Very much.
Of course.
Thank you very much.
Make it off.
I gotta stop looking at this.
Don't stop.
I know, you're like, we want, oh,
How
what's
can I
this?
contribute to this?
Anime bat.
Yeah. Everyone needs one of those.
Mm-hmm.
We have 2.
What's the thing we want to go to in November? What show?
Oh,
Yeah, is it-
FanCon.
Are you gonna go to FanCon?
Oh, no, I don't know about
It's
FanCon.
It's at Moscone Center.
Oh, really?
Thanksgiving weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh.
And it's everything, right?
It's a big. It looks like a big thing.
Oh. I might.
Just look
Go look at that up.
FanCon, they have
My-
a website and they're on Facebook too.
My daughter will want to do that. All right, I gotta go get
Yeah.
this. It's my cousin texting me. She wants the Jingle Bears. I was getting desperate. I posted to all my Facebook platforms.
Awesome.
Come take it all. Bye, Annabelle.
I'm finding more stuff. You'll be happy.
Keep it up.
What is this?
You got everything, Annabelle?
What?
You have everything?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, if not,
Anime. Star Wars. Look how tiny those guys are. Look at the size of those Star Wars guys. They're super tiny.
Oh.
Hello. I'm gonna dancing Elmo.
Okay. All right. Fine.
She's right.
$1
For what?
all of them.
Really?
Oh yeah, yeah.
All
I'll give you that. Yeah.
You really do want them gone, don't you?
Yes.
I'll give you one of the nice
$50. Take it all. Then you can have another garage sale and I'll visit you in 3 weeks.
Mmm.
Well, we're done. We decided we're not having them anymore.
Yeah?
This is too
It's
much.
so much work.
So.
This is some extra
We'll just
spending
do-
money for Disney.
Yeah, no, that's. I understand that. I have a bunch of change that I save all my change for
Yeah,
that too.
do it. Yeah. Especially since a lot of this is mostly kids stuff. I'm like, oh, I'm going to give them money anyway, so. They get to move tables back in now.
Oh,
It's all
fantastic.
over.
Oh my gosh. That's great.
Oh, thank you.
We will. Thank you.
Oh wait, Sasha, she's got more. Oh.
12 by 20 foot above ground pool.
Sasha, you want a pool? She's all yes.